Hi everyone, it's Bruce Watson here at Watson Chiropractic, your chiropractor here in Manteca. On this video, I just want to go into what chiropractic is and what it is not. I get so many questions from people. Can chiropractic help me with very common questions, back pain, sciatic pain, headaches? But a lot of people are looking on, let's say, Google for solutions to health problems, and they come to me, does chiropractic help with depression or anxiety, even fertility and stomach problems? Those are things that I've heard over the years, not all the time, but enough. And so I want people to understand what we're looking for in chiropractic and what we can and can't do with the adjustment. So what we're looking for is this. Look at this plastic model of two vertebrae. I'm just simply gonna show you what I'm doing during an exam. Most vertebrae, when I'm pushing on the sides, will move independently of the ones above and below. That's the healthy areas in the spine. The problem areas are not dramatically out of place. They're subtle misalignments where the vertebra, instead of moving, they're stuck in a rotation one way or the other. So they're not moving, they're stuck and rotated. And that does irritate the nerves at that level all the time, every time. And so the first thing I want to get across to you is it's not that some people have their back out sometimes. This is more like plaque on our teeth. We all have it all the time because life is stressful. Physical, chemical, and emotional stresses lead to these subluxation or misalignment patterns in our spine. And it's mostly this, guys. We're all sitting and hunching all the time, right? Between technology and driving. And so we all have them. And so what that leads to is always pressure on our nerves. So whether you're feeling it or not, if you lay on a chiropractor's table and get your spine checked, when they push on those subluxations or misalignments, because they're putting pressure on the nerves, those surrounding muscles are going to be sensitive and tender. So even when you're not feeling them walking around, you will feel them when they're pushed on gently. And that's exactly what I do in the exam, is push gently on the problem and then firmly on normal areas right next to it. That way you know that there's a big difference. And so to end, I want to give you an idea of what chiropractic does for your health and not just your pain level. In other words, when I'm adjusting your spine, I'm not treating your symptoms. That's what a pain pill does. As opposed to getting you just to feel better, we're getting you to heal better by getting pressure off the nerves. And so the example I want you to think of and how these misalignments in our spine affect nerve flow is very much like if you were to put your foot on a hose, that would obviously inhibit water flow. And when you have a subluxation in your spine or misalignment, it always decreases nerve flow. So it affects our master control system between our brain and our body. So let's talk about a symptom that most people don't think chiropractic would help, but that I've seen hundreds and hundreds of times. A patient will come in with the common problem: back pain, headaches, sciatic pain. And through the exam, I'll see that they have a subluxation or misalignment in their mid-back, like most of us do from hunching, like I said. And so through working with them and doing a series of adjustments, next thing you know, they're telling me that their chronic heartburn, let's say, or digestive disturbance that they may have been taking over the counter or even prescription drugs has significantly reduced. So just to be clear, we're not treating stomach problems with the adjustment or back pain or headaches. We're simply opening the connection between your brain and your body so that your body can function and heal the way only it knows how. And so the reason I'm using the stomach example is it's something that most people don't think that chiropractic would address. And that's how the adjustment can affect a digestive disturbance and help the body heal. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe, and please remember to get adjusted for the health of it.